They started
stared
stared
silently at
each other. Then the dragon
folded
its
sticky
wings, and they came
closer.
Its
Razor
sharp teeth were just inches from
Nathan's
face. With a
puff
of smoke, the dragon let out a sharp
screech,
and
Nathan
screamed back.
Okay.
The dragon took flight as
Nathan
leaped to his feet and
What's that?
Screech.
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 Screeched. The high cry.
Okay.
Screech.
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 Scurry.
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 Scurry. To move quickly with sharp steps.
Scurry.
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 Okay, yes.
Scurry. Scurry.
Okay. Scurry. Okay. Okay, Nathan leaped to his feet and
scurried in the obstacle.
opposite. Okay.
Direction. Running.
Blindly.
Blindly.
Okay, cannot see anything, just aimlessly. Okay, blindly.
The thick fog.
Okay.
Running blindly to the thick fog. He bumped into something, knocking it back wide enough, though the fog Nathan saw will
We know.
get to her feet and brush herself off. I am sorry, Nathan.
Apologize. Say I'm sorry. Okay, apologize. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, look. See, I'm sorry. Apologize. What's that?
Scurry.
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 Scurry. To move quickly with short steps.
I don't know why they need and here.
Apologize.
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 So I apologize. Basically, just say I'm sorry. That's I apologize.
Apologize.
Okay, spell.
Apologize. APOLOGICE. Apologize.
Okay. Apologize. I'm sorry.
Nathan apologized. Didn't see you there. Why you running? Did something
Scare.
Scare you again?
Scare is a verb. Okay, scare is an adjective.
Oh no, I just like stretching my legs. That's only thing that
Night. Don't tell the truth. Okay, night. Okay.
Shoot.
Okay. Embarrassed.
He was always trying to
Prove
that he wasn't a baby, and he
definitely
didn't want William to think he was making up stories about a
feathery
dragon.
Feathery is an adjective. Feathery. Okay. So then feather is a noun. Feathery is an adjective. Sneakered. No. What's that?
Apologize.
Good.
Apologize. Apologize. Apologize.
He apologized for his mistake.
Apologize. Apologize. Snicker. 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 Snicker.
To make a short, quiet laugh.
Okay.
Snicker.
Okay, can say.
SNICKER. Snicker.
Okay. To make a short, quiet enough.
And a way that shows
disrespect. Okay, it's kind of
they
sneakered.
Have out by stranger hat.
Snicker. Snicker. Snicker.
Can spell?
SNICKER. Snicker.
Okay. Sneaker. Now giggle. Quite short enough. Okay.
Who
Winner.
snicker can come on. Let's go move. Get moving. I am freezing.
Good.
Oh, there. No. On their way back, Nathan and Willon stopped and their tracks at the sight of a dog
Swooping.
snicker,
Snicker.
snicker,
Snicker.
snicker,
Snicker.
snicker,
Okay. Actually, that's the explanation.
make to make a shut quiet in a way that
Shows disrespect.
disrespected.
Okay.
They snickered at my stranger hat.
Okay. That is
Swoop.
Swoop,
Swoop.
swoop,
Swoop.
swoop.
I think it's swooped. It's an adjective.
Swoop.
Swoop,
Swoop.
swoop. To fly down the air suddenly.
Okay.
A
Hawk.
swooped down and caught a rabbit in the field.
Okay. Swoop down.
Swoop.
Swoop,
Okay. Sped.
SWOOP, swoop.
Okay. Then later. Okay. Okay. On the way back, Nathan and Wina stopped in their tracks at the side of a
Dog swooping showered
shadow.
shadow standing before them was a blue dragon puffing smoke and breathing.
I don't know what is a bahari. Like that. What's that?
Swoop,
Swoop.
swoop,
Swoop.
swoop,
Swoop.
swoop.
Okay. Sped.
SWOOP, swoop. To fly down to the air suddenly. A hawk swooped down and caught a rabbit in the field.
Okay. No.
Bar.
Bar,
Bar.
bar,
Bar.
bar.
The use also for baring its sharp teeth.
Bar,
Bar. Bar. Bar.
Okay. Sped.
P-A-R, bar.